Check out these salt hacks. Use a potato cut and dip it in salt, then use it to clean scorched, blackened stainless steel pans, dishes burnt on foods. Here, salt is proving that it is a preservative. Here you can use salt to clean scorched blackened fabric materials stuck on the iron. When you put an egg in a glass of water, it sinks, but when you add salt to the water, it causes it to float. When you add more salt water, it sinks down. To clean greasy, burnt-out dishes, boil some water and add salt, baking soda, and aluminum foil. Add your dirty dishes to see them cleaned. When you add salt to ice, it disintegrates the ice particles as shown. It is even used on roads during winter times to break slippery ice roads.